It's been a minute, but I'm back. I'm back. It's go time. Hey guys, welcome back to Life with Sid. And if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. If you're not, if you're a citizen, thank you for returning. Hey girl, hey. Hey guys, I know it's been a little while and this video is well overdue. Another unboxing videos for you guys. I was feeling a little under the weather, so I couldn't put out any content for you guys, but I'm back. I know I sound a little nasally, but I'm okay, guys. I am fine, and I'm back. I'm back with another unboxing video. So, without further ado, let's get into this Gucci unboxing, guys. Yes, so a couple weeks ago, maybe about a month ago, I seen a Gucci bag that I wanted, and this bag was not on my wish list. I don't know why I didn't make my wish list. It should have made my wish list because I've been watching it for a while. If you haven't seen my wish list, you need to go check it out. I will link it right here. Yes, click that and then come back and watch this unboxing video, girl. So this bag, I've been watching it for a while. I don't know why it was not on my wish list. I think I need to do my wish list over because I missed a few things. I really did. I missed a few things. So I went to the Gucci store, stood in line. First I checked online to see what's available in the store. It said it was available in the store, but it was in production for order. So I was like, well, I'm gonna just run to the store, pick it up. Get to the store. Of course, it was a line. We stood in line for about half an hour, 25 minutes or half an hour. Got in the store. They don't have it. So the inventory, the stuff is selling so fast, the inventory is wrong. And I couldn't find my SA's number to call her to check before I went there. So I had to do a order through my SA. She ordered it, and then it took told me about it was going to be 14 business days, and it took about 14 business days, and then she shipped it to me. So I'm going to unbox it with you guys. Here it is. And it came in just a brown box from Gucci, and I think they actually shipped it to the store first, and I think she got to see it because I think before it shipped out, she called me and was like, are you picking it up? Yeah, because she did give me the option to pick it up or to have it shipped to my house, and I was like, no, just ship it to me because, you know, the Gucci, that's about an hour and 20-minute drive for me, so save gas, tolls, miles on my truck, ship it to me. And it's been sitting for a couple weeks, about a week, so I'm like, you know what, let me get this unboxing with you guys. So let me get it open. And I will be doing some mouth shots. I haven't did mouth shots with an unboxing video in a while, so I think I'm going to do a couple mouth shots with this. I know it probably look a little gloomy in the background because I'm actually doing this. It's about 6 o'clock, so the sun is definitely gone, and I have some newer lights, and they're like keeping this, you know, hopefully this video looks good with these new lights. So we're gonna unbox this, and of course in here is my receipt. The same old thing, you know, everybody gets that receipt. And the green packaging. I love their new packaging. Gucci is so pretty. So we'll put that there. Let's get it out. Put it down. I was hoping to get one of those new bags that I was telling you about that I seen a couple people have. So I'm not sure, maybe if you have to get it from like the retail, I mean not from retail, from a department store to get one of those new little duffel bag. It's not a duffel bag. It's like a little shopper bag, and it's like a tan color. It's so cute. But I love the way it's all packaged up. Cute little bow. And let's get her open. Oh, magnetized box. It has a magnet on it. Take it out. The paper is so pretty as well. Oh, this is definitely a new dust bag, but this is not the bag that I was talking about. I like this dust bag too. It's so pretty. It's kind of remind me of like a potato sack. It's cute though. Super cute. So let's get her open. And here she is. The Gucci Marmont camera bag. Yes, it's so cute with the black leather and the gold chain as well, and the gold double G's. And I like the canvas. So pretty. Tissue paper in it. Let's take that out. Let's see. It's really cute. It comes with the care card, the text card, textile. So I like to tell you the code for the bag if you want to look it up, and then how you take care of it, the price of the bag, and the bag retail for $9.80. And in the inside of the bag, I don't know if you can see it, it's the suede material. But I love this bag, and I wanted this bag because I wanted to replace my old Gucci bag that I had for many, many years. And it was canvas material about this. To be honest, I was on the fence about this bag because of the canvas, because the canvas will transfer dye if you wear dark jeans, or it gets dirty. So you have to be very careful. And back then when I got my first Gucci bag, I was carrying it like every single day. And of course it got dirty, but I found you can actually clean it. You just have to use like a mild soap. Just have to be very careful with it. And this is really cute. I love this because this matches my thigh-high Gucci boots. So this is like one of the main reasons why I wanted this, and my oversized bucket hat, because my other Gucci bag, like I said, is probably about 15 years old, and she is beat, honey. Let me show y'all. She is beat. It was time for me to retire her. So here she is. This is like my first Gucci crossbody bag, and I think this is considered, like, they call this like the Supreme canvas, I think. Yeah, so if you can see how it looks dingy, but they're basically the same pattern. This one seemed like it's a little bit lighter, but that's because it's new, and this one is old. But this was my everyday Gucci bag, y'all. And this was like 15 years old. So I'm like, it's time to retire her. Like, I don't even think I can get any money if I try to sell it. So, but she is replacing her. So yeah, so I got this, and I love it because I can wear this with my hat when I'm going to the beach, and with my thigh-high boots. I love the leather on it. I love the gold hardware. You know what else about this one? The Gucci camera bag. I love that it has a small little 4 different adjustments. You can see it. It's 4, and mine is set for the middle one, and I probably will definitely leave it on there. Alright, so let me get these mod shots so I can show you how it fits. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". Okay guys, that is it for my Gucci Mama unboxing. Let me know what y'all think. Tell me in the comments below. Yeah, so that is it. I feel like I've been gone for so long, I don't know what I'm doing. I've been gone for so long, I don't know what I'm doing, guys. But anyway, so let me know if you like videos like this, unboxing videos, vlog videos, lifestyle videos. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and bell notification so every time your girl upload a video, you will be notified. Until next time, Syd signing off. Peace.